What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I have a literal Hot Wheels case unboxing. Hopefully it's okay. There's a dent. And anyways, I purchased these cars from Diecast. And got a really good deal on these cars. This is one of the most sought after Hot Wheels car culture sets of the entire year. It's the 2026 Hot Wheels Modern Classics, and I knew there was no way I was going to find these in stores. And there's a brand new Ferrari car culture car in here, and four of the other cars are absolute bangers as well. So I knew that this was going to be very, very hard to find in stores. And I got a really good deal on it, and it was free shipping. So let's check these out. If you know this set, then you know exactly why I purchased them and why they're so special and sought after. So this is for the complete set of 5. Looks like it's packed very, very well. It's very appreciated. The price was definitely right, and there's no way I could drive to the stores and find these cars for the cost that I paid for them. First up, we have the dud of the series. It is none other than the Mazda 323 GTR, and the colors of it are actually kind of nice. It has a rally number on the side of it. El Segundo Rally. Ha! Oh, that's just too funny. Anyways, this is the dud, and it looks kind of cool, but it doesn't really go with the rest of the cars. I don't know why they're throwing a rally car in here when these are supposed to be street cars. But hey, it's just me. Next up, we've got the Toyota Soarer. Oh wow, holy shit, this thing is amazing. God damn. Wow. It is champagne gold with matching champagne gold 5-spoke wheel riders with chrome lip. Wow. With a tan interior. Wow. No wonder everyone's talking about this car, even though this set just came out and not that many people have it. It's got chrome metal base. Wow. It is stunning in person. Yep, there's no way you're going to find these on the pegs. Absolutely no freaking way. That is drop dead gorgeous. Ooh-wee. Next up, we've got the 1995 Nismo 270R. It's the S14. It's based on the Nissan Silvia. Wow. It looks good. It looks good. Believe this is the is this the Zinky or the Kooky? Anyways, you can tell me in the comments which variation of the updated front this is. I don't remember off the top of my head. But wow, that looks nice. Same 5-spoke rims. These ones are in silver. Very, very cool. For a JDM fanboy, that's going to be fire. Okay, next up, I don't know which of the other two cars is more sought after. They're both incredibly sought after, so we're just going to take a look at the Ferrari. And this is the Ferrari Testarossa. It is a redone casting. Hot Wheels has done the Ferrari Testarossa since the mid-'80s, but this is a retooled, reimagined casting, and the proportions I think are better, actually. Oh yeah, it looks good. I don't know what that is supposed to be. Is that a chip or is that a tampo? I think it's a tampo. I don't know what the heck that's supposed to be. There's a freaking, I don't know. There's a damn gray dot right there. There's a gray dot right there. I don't know what the hell that is. But oh yeah, car looks good. So for just a little bit of context, the lovely resellers are reselling this car for 20 bucks a pop, which is absolutely insane. So I got a really good deal on it. Sometimes that's why you buy a full set, but this full set is well worth buying. Every car is pretty much amazing except for that Mazda, but you save some money if you buy the full set. And next up, this is the Porsche 993 GT2 911 silver. Wow, it's clean, has the 5-spoke rims again, but that looks very, very nice. Check out that wang. It's the big wang gang. Damn, it's so big. That's what she said. Damn, it is huge. It just extends, goes on for miles. Wow. Yep. That's sweet. Looks very, very nice. I would highly recommend purchasing Hot Wheels cars from Diecast. I purchased them on the shop app, and yeah, I purchased them on Thursday, Wednesday, and they were here on Monday. I was totally shocked. I was like, there's no way it's coming that quickly. But sure enough, came that quickly with free shipping. I mean, and their prices were comparable to everybody else, but everyone else was making you pay for the shipping. If not the most sought after car culture set of 2026, it's going to be up there for sure. Definitely in the top 3. And this is the 10th anniversary of car culture from Hot Wheels. So you know that Hot Wheels is going to do a little something extra. I think they're really trying to make these sets extra special and extra sought after for this year, because it seems like they're definitely on a roll for sure. So it will be very, very interesting. The Japan Historic set was the first mix for 2026. It was great, but this one just hits it out of the park. I mean, the Soarer, everyone likes the Soarer, but wow, it is definitely drop dead gorgeous. It is kind of the sleeper of the set. It is way nicer in person than the photos give it justice, but obviously everyone's foaming at the mouth over the Testarossa and the 993 GT2, which look very, very nice in their own right. But to be honest, just looking at the cars and like how attractive they look, that Soarer might be the prettiest of the set, and I know I'm the only one that's thinking that, because the Porsche and the Ferrari are getting all the love, but damn, is it a good looking car. Always liked the Lexus SC 300 and SC 400, so this is the JDM version, which is the Toyota Soarer. It's a great casting from Hot Wheels. I have a couple of different ones, and wow, it's definitely awesome. Let me know what you think of these cars in the comments below. I think they look very, very nice, and the advantage of buying them online is you get them the same time as the cars are hitting in the East Coast. All the Hot Wheels cars come out on the East Coast for whatever reason, like a month in advance, most likely, than the West Coast. And since I'm on the West Coast, you know, you never know when the stuff's gonna hit, because everyone's posting photos saying, I found this, I found that, but they're not on the West Coast. So to be able to get these cars this fast, this soon, I think it's absolutely fantastic, and I'm itching to open these babies. Oh, so good. Hot Wheels is back, baby. Obviously, car culture has been really, really good the last few years. But wow, it's definitely an amazing set of 5. They're going to be very sought after, and they're definitely going to appreciate and value this set. Mark my words, in a few years, I don't know. I mean, if the Ferrari people are already selling it for 20 bucks a pop. Porsche is probably about the same, so that's 40 bucks. Then the other cars, I could see easily in a couple years, this set could be worth 100 bucks. Nobody's business. In a few years after that, I don't know, maybe this is more. I don't know. It's definitely one of the best mixes Hot Wheels has ever done, easily. So I would say happy peg hunting for this set. And then obviously there is a chase car for this set, which is the Mercedes-Benz 190E. It's the 2.5-16, and it is gold. And yeah, the odds of me finding that on the pegs are slim. To be honest, I'd be shocked if I even found these on the pegs. At least in SoCal, I knew these things were not going to be left. The only one that's going to be left is the Mazda. There's going to be a shit ton of those Mazdas for months. But other than that, damn, they are hot. Hot, hot. Leave me a comment. Which one is your favorite car? I know it's between the Ferrari and the Porsche, but I don't know. I mean, the first 4 cars are very, very strong in their own right. If you're definitely JDM or a Euro fan, this is the mix for you. It's very strange that there's only European and Japanese cars in this set. I think they could have taken the Mazda out and put in an American car, but hey, it's just me. It's my 2 cents, baby.